Let's take a look at how to search for a Hebrew word with the command line. In this example, we wish to search for all instances of ahav. First, we need to set the search version to a Hebrew morphology version. We can do so by going to Search, choose Search Version, and choosing the WTM under the Hebrew category. Or a quicker way to do so is to click within the command line and type WTM and hit Enter. We've now changed our search version to the WTM. Now we're ready to type the word which we wish to search for. We need to use a control character when we're conducting a word search, and we'll use a period for an AND search. Always remember to use a control character like the period when you wish to search for a word or words. Now type your Hebrew word. The letters on the keyboard for ahav are A, H, B. We could conduct our search at this point by just hitting the Enter key, but if we wish to use the morphological helper to find a specific form or forms of ahav, we'd need to enter an @ sign following the Hebrew word. The technique to do so in Hebrew is to move to the beginning of the Hebrew word by clicking in the white space of the command line so that the mouse cursor is now blinking at the beginning of the Hebrew word. You can also do so after typing your Hebrew word by hitting the N key on your keyboard. Now we're able to type the @ sign. We can choose verb, and if we wish to search for the cow perfect of ahav, we can click on call and then perfect and end our search with the asterisk wildcard to signify any following codes to account for additional morphological codes in a word. Then hit Enter. We've now conducted a search for all instances of ahav in the call perfect.